And so he finished school to become a teacher. But other than that, he also became a music box owner, a hardware store manager, an inn/small hotel CEO, but none of those things really worked out. One day, he came home to his family, and just like Noah from the Bible, he said, "I'm gonna build a boat!" And so he started building one. The sails he made from his bones, the walls he made from his teeth, and when he lost his bones and teeth, he asked the neighbors, which is a metaphor, of course. It was tiring, confusing, and draining. Will it float? Will it float? Will it float? Everyone wondered. But they had to pagkabasa. And by some miracle, it did. Where will it go? Where will it go? Everyone wondered. And the boy with the dream said, just about anywhere. Which is also a metaphor, and also like a figurative way of speaking. And that's the story. I don't think the ending is that nice, but I love the illustrations. It's very nostalgic. And that's it for that day. I guess my thoughts were, grabe guys, hirap ako akong tatay sa kanang para sa boat. And then, magsiyo ko take float pa kanina. And then it did. And then we saw all these wonderful, wonderful views to see. Paspas ang boat. Dali naman niya ang boat. Layo-layo po itong gito na dali naman boat. So it was just so super nice. I'm super proud. It's like he came from nothing and then he can build a boat that looks like that. It's actually really beautiful in person, but sa video ang batim siya tanaw sa picture batik would. Pero in real life, more siya og yacht. Sige na lang, good. More lang siya yacht.